most of the developer, when pushing the code or pulling the code, we are getting the issue like that the current branch of any branch you have created has no upstream branch, means your current branch is not sync with the your repo, and it will not be a current branch original setting on that. So we need to set that upstream branch to be what is, so that issue we can resolve with the set. We need to execute one git command, so it will be getting resolve that issue. So this is the error you are getting. Git push, I have created that branch feature slash test branch, and this is the pull. When pulling or pushing, you are getting that type of error. So how we can resolve that is I explain in downside. This is the command we need to be execute: git branch dash dash set dash upstream dash to equal to original slash feature slash your branch name here, and after space give a branch name to be original, and you can execute your pull or push command, then it will work. There is no issue after that executions. So we need to run this git branch dash dash set dash upstream underscore origin. There we need to be give a branch name after origin slash. We need to give what branch you want to be set as origin, and it will work up. And you space given space and you set the same branch name, then it will work. Okay, if required any more details and any tips, you can follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.